One last piece of define. The charter says what the business wants. Voice of the customer captures what customers want, in their own words. And CTQs, critical to quality requirements, turn those words into things you can measure. The VOC and CTQ tab keeps both side by side, and voices go in verbatim. From an exit interview, a churned customer. I waited all day, just to hear that you'd received my ticket. From an NPS comment, an active customer. I don't mind a queue, I mind silence. And from the lost deal notes, a prospect. Your competitor answers within the hour. Resist the urge to clean these up. Their bluntness is the point. Now each voice becomes something measurable. Silence becomes first response time. Hours from ticket creation to a first human reply, target under 2 business hours for 90% of tickets. The waiting in the dark voice becomes ownership. Every first reply names the agent handling it. And the third becomes a progress rule. A status update at least every 24 hours until resolved. Wishes on the left, requirements on the right, and a link between every pair. And watch what that just did. Back on the plan. Define 100%. Charter, voices, and CTQs all in place, and the phase is ready for its toll gate. That's define, complete. Next chapter, measure. We stop talking about the process and start timing it. See you there.